Lord, you say that the supreme marvelous nature, neither by karma and harmony. It doesn't come naturally. But you and Manjushri lost before. Bodhisattva light says that marriage is a natural collection. Conjunction and incompatibility. Disciple puzzled. Wish to hear things. On the Lingshan Dharma Conference, the Buddha sat on the Seven Treasures Lotus Terrace and listened to the compassionate smile. Flounder, can you ask such a question? It shows that you have put your heart into Buddhism. But there is still a layer of fog in my heart that has not been cleared. You need to know all the mountains and rivers in the world, earth vegetation, and the life and death of sentient beings, the state of nirvana pursued by practitioners. In fact, they are like people who are extremely tired, or when the mind is frantic. Illusory flower shadows seen in the eyes. Buddha's voice is warm and penetrating to everyone's ears. Those flower shadows don't really exist, but it is actually seen by the eyes. Everything in the world seems real. Essentially just wonderful. A temporary collision that appears absolutely. They're not permanent. That marvelous nature is the root of everything. He lived without any conditions. It didn't come out of nowhere. This is the end. The truest statement, like the void itself, never had to be pieced together. But why do I want to talk about the law of karma? The Buddhist style has changed. The heart is not strong enough. Easily confused by the outside world. I don't know that good and evil are rewarded. Causal cycle. I say karma. It is to let everyone understand that good causes bear good results. Evil causes evil. So as to break the bad repair. Lay the foundation for practice step by step. Nature. It is to force out the wrong opinions of those outsiders. Some heretics insist that everything is natural. There is no causal pattern, or there is an eternal essence of nature. Create everything. These statements can lead to obsession. Unable to understand the truth, I say nature, to point out the limitations of these insights. Guide everyone to go beyond obsession. Flora, why are you confused? Because I didn't understand the meaning of what I said. What I mean by marriage is natural. It's all just a pseudonym for the convenience of saving sentient beings. It's like pointing your finger at the moon. Fingers are just tools, not the moon itself. The key to spiritual practice, by these claims, mistakenly enter the vacuum of perfection. Neither attached to marriage. We're not attached to nature. We're not bound by any concept. To clear the fog. Beyond doubt. See your original pure nature. The confusion in Fulu's heart melted like ice and snow. Happy face. Thanksgiving to the Blessed One for his mercy begins. The disciple finally understood today. It turns out that everything is convenient. Only on both sides. To stray into the true meaning of the wonderful. The beginners present also nodded. The fog in my heart suddenly brightened. A deeper understanding of Buddhism. Everyone is at the beginning of this compassion. I felt the beauty, the purity, the freedom.